Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list and calendar? Today, we're pitting two productivity powerhouses against each other, TickTick and Fantastical, to help you conquer your chaos. First up, let's talk features. TickTick is a robust task manager, excelling at project management with detailed task lists, subtasks, habit tracking, and even a built-in Pomodoro timer for focused work sessions. See how easy it is to add tasks with priorities, due dates, and tags. TickTick helps you break down large projects into manageable steps. Now, Fantastical shines as a calendar application, known for its natural language input. Just type what you want to schedule, and it automatically creates the event with details. Fantastical's elegant interface gives a comprehensive view of your day, week, or month, making scheduling and planning a breeze. Let's quickly compare the pricing. TickTick offers a free plan with basic features and a premium subscription for advanced functionalities. Fantastical primarily operates on a subscription basis, offering more comprehensive features at a higher price point. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs. If you're task-focused and require robust project management features, TickTick might be your perfect match. But if you prioritize seamless calendar integration and natural language input, Fantastical is a solid option. Which app reigns supreme for your productivity style? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and app comparisons.